This is the MQuip Grizzly, the most powerful non-porous vacuum lifter that we stock. It lifts up to 6,000 pounds and is best suited for non-porous products like oversized natural stone and even armor stone in certain instances. So right now the Grizzly is paired with a 61 by 25 centimeter vacuum pad, which features our large gasket, which all of our Grizzly vacuum pads do. This helps conform to more texture. The biggest vacuum pad available to the Grizzly is 120 by 100 centimeters in size, and that has a 6,000 pound lifting capacity. We have a variety of pads in between those two sizes with varying lifting capacities, and we do also offer custom fabrication. So if you have a specific size and lifting capacity that you want to meet, let us know and we can do that for you as well. All right, so when you order your Grizzly vacuum lifter, it comes with an accessory case, which includes, at no additional cost, two 12 amp hour batteries, 18 volt, your wedge tool for replacing the seal, charger for charging the batteries, and then pins for the ears, which are already currently installed. What you'll also find in the case is access to QR codes that will take you to resources such as the manual, tutorial on how to replace the seal when it comes time, and then also operation. All right, to operate your Grizzly vacuum lifter, take your battery, make sure it's fully seated in the battery port. Once it's fully seated, you will turn the vacuum lifter on, make sure the slide valve is in the up position. So now that the Grizzly has built pressure within its reservoir, the slide valve is up. You know that now you can achieve vacuum to your material that you're looking to handle. So in order to do that, you slide your valve down. Being that this is a porous material that we're trying to achieve vacuum to, the vacuum lifter is not going to reach a safe level of vacuum, hence why the alarm was going off, the needle wasn't fully in the green, and the red light was on. So your main safety features are going to be your indicator lights, as well as your visual gauge, reading you the level of vacuum that you're at. So say you're in a safe level of vacuum, the needle will be in the green light will be on, and you'll know that slide valve will be down, and you'll know that you'll be in a safe level of vacuum to lift. Say that the needle, you're going to get vacuum on the material, say it was a porous product similar to this piece of plywood, the needle would not be in the green, and the alarm would be on, and the red light would be flashing, and your green light wouldn't be on, indicating that you're not safe to lift. Additional safety features are built-in chain slots on the sides. So say you're lifting a material a long distance, or that it's something that you know is close to your lifting capacity, or just in general good practice, you would slip your chain into the chain slot, you'd lift the product a few inches off the ground, then you would wrap the chain around the material, and then slot it in on the other side. Obviously, this chain would be wrapped around the slab or that you'd be handling. In the case of catastrophic failure, where the product would let go, the chain would catch it. Additionally, what you can do with this chain, you can do with straps around our transportation handles here. So on the Grizzly, we actually have the handles on the side just for better ergonomics, but you can run straps through these transportation handles, as we call them, and wrap it around the material, and you'd achieve the same effect as the chain. So on top of the safety features that we just went over, there's a general misconception that battery-powered vacuum lifters are unsafe. This is not the case. So as long as you're using them as what they were designed or intended to be built for, handling non-porous products, they are perfectly safe. So in the scenario that there's catastrophic failure, the battery is completely dead, the internal battery is completely dead, and you have vacuum on a slab, because there's vacuum built inside the reservoir, it's going to give you time to put that material down and release it in a safe manner. You're gonna know this by, even without power, your vacuum gauge still works. So you'll know that it's in the green, you'll see that it starts to climb out of the green, you know you're gonna have to put the material down and release it because you have air loss somewhere, but it's not gonna immediately let go of the slab that you're handling unless there's a crack in the material that the vacuum can no longer hold. So it won't let go even if the battery dies. To extend the lifespan of the two main wear components on the Grizzly, the filter and the seal, is to, at first the seal, lift the vacuum lifter up and down. Don't drag it across surfaces. It's gonna prematurely wear out the seal. Filter, all it is 2 clasps, open it up, take your compressor, clean out the filter, put it back in, you're good to go. And then there's 2 drain plugs on the bottom of the Grizzly. So there's gonna be a drain plug on either end of the reservoir. At the end of the season, open those up, let the moisture drain out, and install them back in, and you know you're good to go for the next season. So a very common question is, when it comes to our vacuum lifters, is how much texture can they conform to? Well, take out the guesswork, send us an email, give us a call, send us pictures, and we can let you know if one of our vacuum lifters is going to be able to conform to that texture. The last thing we want to do is set you up with a vacuum lifter that's not going to work for you. Please reach out, let us know which products you're handling, and we can best recommend which of our vacuum lifting systems is best geared for your applications.